right, so we got this Hobo bag here. They sent to us so we could show it to you. And what it is, it's got this little tether that holds this little cute little interior little bag here. And of course you can have all your little like chapstick and Kleenex and all your little oh, there's a little baby flashlight and stuff in there. And then you got this. It's a faux leather. It's got a strap on it. It's not an adjustable strap. There's the little interior clippy thing that holds on to this little interior purse here, this little interior bag here. But like you can have like, and there's an interior zipper pocket in here that's got like the phone in it and stuff, and the keys and stuff like that in there too, this little interior zipper pocket. But it's really big and spacious, and you could keep your tablet and all kinds of stuff in there. But what's kind of cool is that it came with, I'll show you here, hold on one sec. It came with this little, you can just hang it on, like if you're in the restaurant, you just hang this little thing on the tabletop, and then you just hang this so that it's not sitting on the floor. Your bag isn't hanging on the floor or whatever. So it came with this little thing here, and then basically when you're not using it, hey, let's see, put this up here, and then this just rolls up into itself in a little circle, and then you just keep that in your bag, in your purse there, and see how it just stays out of the way there. And anyway, just all closes up into one little big circle little thing there, and just put it back in your little bag. And like I said, there's this interior pocket where you can just keep all your little extra stuff there. And so yeah, very nice and spacious and big, and has the really nice it feels really leather-like. If it's faux leather, it feels very nice and leather-like, even though it says on the description it's faux leather. It feels really soft leather-like. So yeah, very nice. Thanks for sending that to us. It's really nice, and we'll show you what it looks like on your shoulder here in a sec. Okay, look at that. Yeah, looks really good there. It's nice and soft, and yeah, look at it. It just looks really, really nice there. So, yeah, here, move your hand for a second there. That's what I said. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Very soft, nice. Looks good.
Easy to get in.
Yep, big bag. Holds a lot of stuff.
Yeah.